Hello, everybody. Peter Gann here, back again with another low cap gem. This time it's Play Kingdom PKT. But before we jump into the project, I just want to let you know I am not a financial advisor. It's not meant for financial advice. It's actually for entertainment and educational purposes. The idea is we find projects, we bring them to you. That lets you know that they exist and a little bit about them. And then you go do your own research to figure out if it's a project that you're interested in and either just using the project or getting involved from that way, or possibly acquiring their token and getting involved with it. We do hold this token in our portfolio. It's the only time we do videos on projects or if we hold the token. So we are token holders in PKT. So we're on CoinMarketCap. We can see that it is $2.26. From all time, it's up 339%. I was actually looking at when it started. So this is a project that started in 2023. So probably 3/4 of the way through the bear market. Of course, they had to be developing it and working on it prior to that. If we go back here and look, that we see that it's pretty much unchanged today as far as the price goes. 226. $452,000 market cap, $88,000 today in volume, up 7%, so decent volume. There are only self-reported 200,000 PKT. Now, where I have a little bit of concern, and we'll probably have to reach out to the project and ask, there's no total supply here, and there is no max supply. So this is something that we need to figure out. Right now, I put a small amount, about 20 bucks into this thing, because I need to find out about these two things, total supply and max supply. So if you are with this project and you know the total supply or max supply or why it's not on CoinMarketCap, if you could let us know, we would love to cover that in a follow-up video. BNB chain, so BEP20, so low gas fees, great chain. We can go ahead and from there, we can go look and see what exchanges it is available on. The only exchange right now is LaBank. But of course, you can get it on PancakeSwap or PooCoin or even Uniswap right now. Sometimes it shows too low a liquidity, but you can also get BNB tokens on Uniswap. And of course, there's other options that are available. If we go out to all time, you can see that this token is at pretty close to an all-time high right now. The highest it's been is 257, and it's at 226 right now. That has been different than most of the tokens we looked at. Have much higher all-time highs than they are right now. But again, this is a little bit newer project. All right, let's jump over to the main site first, which is Play Kingdom. They have dApps here. So one of the cool things about this project is they're not only promoting their own projects. They actually have here, if you go down to these tabs in Metaverse, Games, NFTs, and then X2Es, if you click on here, they actually have listings of quite a few of the different metaverses. So their goal is to help drive value for other projects, help people get involved. So I don't know much about metaverse. I find Play Kingdom and I get to come over here and it's gonna, what has it got here? About 13 different metaverses that are available for people to get involved with. They also have games. Now they're getting ready to do their own project, which is a move to earn project called Cash Street. That's coming very soon. They'll have the NFTs available, I believe, in March. We'll look at that on their front page. But we can see here that they're promoting quite a few games. These are not their games. These are games that they're working on. Now, they do have an exclusive agreement to bring business traffic to K3K, which I'd never heard of it. Come to find out, is the most popular blockchain game in South Korea. Okay, so they already have the game out. They have their team listed. Oh, that's coming soon, actually, for the Dapp. Their site is in Korean and English. So you can come over. As a matter of fact, if you come back here, guys, and click, they actually have both sites listed right here. This is the Play Kingdom site. This is the 3kingdoms.io site. So you can come over here and you can check out the project and learn more about it on what they're doing there. But they do have an exclusive agreement with them with that game. And again, if we come back here, we hit their main site. You can see coming soon. Cash Street is a user-friendly app that blends blockchain tokens, token mining with move to earn and drive to earn. get special rewards effortlessly and conveniently. So I guess if you're driving around or walking around, you'll get to participate. Again, it says it's coming in March 2024 for you to buy the NFTs. And then the project will probably launch soon after that. And of course, they have their hot featured stuff here, different, again, metaverses, different things that they're promoting, including their own events right here. We have K3K, Manta Network event, you have Burrito, K3K event that's taking place. So you've got a lot of events and different stuff happening. Of course, you can come down here to the news and learn more about what they're doing. It looks like they're doing some onboarding events, right? Play Kingdom onboarding game. K3K holds launch ceremony for Indonesian supporters. I like when blockchain projects are not just staying in the office or wherever they're working from, when they're actually going out and sharing blockchain with the world out in the public. So this is definitely a positive for the team that they're getting out there. And of course, it's got to be a real team. Why? Because they're out there meeting people. They're out there shaking hands, saying, hey, here we are. So what do we like about it? They're supporting things. They're coming out with their own move to earn and drive to earn. They have a partnership with K3K Games, which is already a successful blockchain game in South Korea. So that's another positive for them. So guys, if this is a project that interests you, of course, do your own research, get involved with PKT if that's what your research shows you to do. If you're looking for more projects like this, what you can do is go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you get notified the next time we do a video, and I look forward to showing you more projects in the future.